Almost $200 million was just liquidated. Longs, pretty much leveraged longs, got destroyed over the past couple hours. I'm not worried one bit. I'm not in leverage. Anyways, let's go into some important news right now with what's going on with the US and how screwed they are. Yes, you heard it before with Heidi yesterday. The US is going to go through a lot of growing pains right now, and it's not looking good. All right, $247 billion of tax money was wasted in the US in 2022, according to CNBC. But you know what? We didn't hear anything about Gary Gensler, did we, with this? You know, it just said, it's just wasted. Wasted money, right? Wasted taxpayer money. But you know what? That's hard-earned money right there. Can you imagine working 20 to 50% of your time to have it just wasted by an entity that doesn't give a crap about you? Yeah, that sucks. Moving on, we have White House says there is evidence that China wants to weaken the US dollar. I did not know China had the US printing press. Did you? Like, I'm wondering, like, what is weakening the US dollar? Could be the Federal Reserve printing trillions upon trillions upon trillions. I could keep saying that on and on, of dollars over and over again. Yes, it's exactly that. So they're trying to have China as a scapegoat. Good luck, US. Next, we have Gary Gensler blames Silicon Valley banks on the collapse on crypto. Okay, so he's blaming Silicon Valley Bank because of what happened with crypto. So he thinks that crypto caused the Silicon Valley Bank to collapse. Really? What happened with Signature Bank, the one that wasn't even insolvent, you just shut it down? Makes me wonder what the real objective is here. It's definitely not crypto. Gary Gensler is not going to protect you from anything important. Eric Voorhees actually says markets exposed and shut down FTX. The SEC did not. So it's pretty much the markets are taking care of itself. That's what markets do. If something collapses and goes to crap, that's the market, right? It has nothing to do with the SEC. They're not going to protect you from scams. They're not going to protect you from frauds. They are actually scam artists and fraudsters, as we know now that Gary Gensler had promoted Algorand. How many people bought Algorand because of what Gary Gensler said? It could hold an app like Uber on its blockchain. That would get me excited. I wonder how many people bought that, right? But now he just claims it's a security. Guys, a scam artist. All right. Coinbase might leave the US if there is no clear regulation. Coinbase CEO, what have we been saying? Innovation and talent and money are leaving in droves. Been warning you guys for years now. I got so much crap from a lot of people who are patriotic. I don't blame them. I get it. You know, it's a bit of a religion. But hey, you know what? As far as the US is concerned, they are digging themselves in a very big hole, and I think everybody's starting to realize that now. Next, we have from Leon Fu. Why doesn't the SEC tell us which coins on Bittrex are securities? Just simply tell us what it is. Tell people what they are. If you want innovation to stop leaving, give clear and concise regulations. That's what people need. But they're not going to give it to you. Because why? Because the SEC makes a lot of money from Wall Street, the Federal Reserve, which are their owners. So yeah, interesting. So Warren Davidson, a congressman, says Gary Gensler's record of failures to protect investors and abuses of power make it clear the need to restructure the SEC. So I hear a lot of people, this is what I want to get over. The SEC, a lot of people want Gary Gensler out of there. Who do you think is going to take its place, right? The SEC, the head of the SEC. Who owns the SEC? Obviously the Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve doesn't like crypto. It's a complete competitor of the Federal Reserve. You have a decentralized atmosphere. You have a complete closed source centralized atmosphere, which is the US dollar, debt-based crap, right? And obviously they're gonna have their next guy in there that's gonna be even worse or just the same. So quit wishing for new people to run the SEC. You have to understand the SEC is bought and paid for, okay? That's it. It's not that hard to understand. Hopefully it's not that hard to understand. Lastly, I want to go over some really good news on this. Okay, so I just found a competitor to ChatGPT. That is open source AI. Check this thing out. It's called Open Assistant. It could be a really good thing. I think there's 13,000 developers right now, 13,000 people contributing their code to this thing. You know what? I'm pretty bullish on AI, as you know, especially if you're a part of our CT club, where we've been getting our trade alerts and we've been showing you which AI coins we're getting into. I hope these people create an AI coin. It'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I'm bullish on open source projects like this. So check it out. Link will be down below. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.